Okay, so today we are going to work with log differential, and in this log differentiation we are going to talk about with whole power. Okay, so for instance I am having ln 3x square plus 7x. It is given like this. Okay, so and this whole power is on this whole thing. If I have to write it only over here, then I will write it over here, not like this. Then I will not write it like this. I will write this square over here. Okay? Then it means it is only on the multiple, it is not on the whole thing. Secondly, log will not have whole power alone. It will not be like that. Okay, I will be having ln square and then this thing. No, that is not part of our syllabus. We are not going to have that thing. If we are going to have that thing, then we have to do it in some other way that I will tell you also. But right now we are not going to have that thing. So first of all, the rules, you can write your rules better. The rule says, first rule will be differentiate whole power. Differentiate whole power. Step number 2, differentiate the bracket. Differentiate the bracket. Okay, and in that bracket anything can be there. It can be algebraic differentiation, it can be log differentiation, it can be trigonometric differentiation. Anything can be there. So you can remember that whenever they are saying, even if I'm not talking about log differentiation, I'm just talking about differentiation. So whenever it is whole power, with whole power, the first thing will be that you will differentiate the whole power, and by differentiating whole power means writing whole power as a multiple of coefficient of bracket. Nothing is over here, it means it is 1. And then reducing whole power by 1 without bringing any change inside the bracket. Okay, that can be your rule number 1, and it is applicable on all type of differentiation. Okay, then after that, this is my first step. I've completed my first step. Now my second step will be differentiating whatever is inside the bracket. So what is inside the bracket? ln bracket 3x square plus 7x bracket close. So that is a ln differentiation. I am going to apply ln differentiation rule, which is 1 over 3x square plus 7x. First of all, the multiple of log is written in reciprocal form. I have written it. After that, differentiation of this thing, so that will become 6x plus 7. Okay, so when I will be simplifying this thing, 2 ln 3x square plus 7x, 2 power minus 1 will become 1, and this thing will be 6x plus 7 over 3x square plus 7x. Okay, if you want to simplify it further by multiplying this thing with this, you can. Otherwise, you can leave it over here and that will be your answer. Okay, right. So, for instance, I have got 3 over ln sine square x. For instance, I've got this thing and they are telling us to differentiate it. Now, I have to differentiate x, but x is in denominator, and in the numerator, I have got a numeric value. Okay, always remember, when in numerator we have only got numeric value, and in denominator we have got variable, then only I'm going to shift it in the numerator. Then I'm going to shift this thing in the numerator. Otherwise, if I have got x over here and I have got x over here, then I will first check that either should I transfer or either should I go for something else. We haven't done something else till now. We will do it, but over here I have got numeric value in the numerator only, and in the denominator I have got variable. So what I am going to do, I am not starting my differentiation right now. I have shifted ln sine square x whole power minus 1. Okay, I think I am clear till this point. Now I am starting with differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x. How I am going to differentiate it? First of all, there is a whole power. So whole power will be multiplied by coefficient. Whole power will be multiplied by coefficient, and whole power will be reduced by 1. Okay, whole power is multiplied by coefficient and whole power is reduced by 1. Okay, that's my first step. Whole power is multiplied by coefficient and whole power is reduced by 1. There is no change inside the bracket. The bracket is as it is. After that, I'm going to differentiate my bracket. Now I'm going to talk about whatever is written inside. Okay, so ln sine square x. So first of all, it will become 1 over sine square x. After that, differentiation of sine square x. So there is a whole power on sine square. Square is there. So first of all, I am going to differentiate 2 sine x. Whole power of sine x is written before and power is reduced by 1. After that, I am just going to solve sine x, and differential of sine x will be cos x. After that, I am going to differentiate angle, and that angle will be 1. Okay. Now I'm going to simplify it, this thing. I'm going to simplify it. So what will be my simplification? I'm writing it over here, beta. My simplification will be, first of all, minus 1 multiplied by 3 will be minus 3. Then ln sine square x minus 1 will become minus 2. Okay. After that, see, sine x and this 1 power can be cancelled. So what will remain over here? It will be 2 cos x over sine x. Okay. When I will simplify this one further, so minus 3 will remain over here. This thing is having minus 2 over here. So I will write it in the reciprocal form and it will become ln sine square x whole square with power as 1. And cos x over sine x will become cot x with 2 Final simplification, minus 3 multiplied by 2 will become minus 6 cot x over ln sine square x whole square. Okay, so this is my working.